Hi, I'm Carrie Ann Simpson, local mortgage broker here down in Caloundra. So, you're looking to access some tax-free cash without selling your home. A reverse mortgage might be a great thing for you, particularly like these days everyone is asset rich, income poor. Having a hard time, can't travel, can't update the car, can't get new appliances or so forth, or even home maintenance on the property. So depending on your age, you are eligible to be able to get what's called a reverse mortgage. Now, on a reverse mortgage, you have to be at the age of 60 plus, preferably most people, like if they're on a pension or something, from the age of 65 or 67. Or you're at retirement age, and this is the reason why they look at doing reverse mortgages. It's voluntary. You can pay back the loan if you want to, but you're not eligible or have to be committed to do so. So what it works out a sliding scale. You can only borrow up to 40% of your equity on your property, for the equity that's on the property that you own. You must have home ownership of the property and must live in the property as well. Can't be an investment property. So the really good thing about having a reverse mortgage might be for retirement lifestyle, healthcare cost, aged care facility you might need to move into and have money for that without selling the family home, renovations, living expenses, travel, and so forth. You're allowed to use it for any of these things. They will ask you what you want the money for, and I'll be able to, as a mortgage broker, able to help you through that process. So the really good thing about it is, you don't need to have to sell your property or whatever like that, but you can access and not have to worry about having to make the repayments back. You can if you want to, but you're not eligible to do so. But you must remember it is interest only, so it means it will incur interest, and you will need to do it from a SmartGov website, Money Smart, and you'll have to have a graph put in with that. You'll also have to check with Centrelink as well in regards to it doesn't affect any payments that you're getting now. As a mortgage broker, I can definitely help you and guide you through that. I've done several of these mortgages and they work really well. So the eligibility is primary residence. Property requirements are like it's got to be a single family home, townhouses. It can be a unit in a unit block up to 4 units, but you must be living in one of them. All right. So, and you really need a bit of sustainable equity in your property. There are some implications as well I do want to go over. You've got to remember it's going to reduce your home equity. Okay, so, you might have a property, pay $300,000 now with $1 million, but after 10 years of having a reverse mortgage, it might only be $800,000 or whatever. But as we know, properties do go up. So, there's certain things that you do need to take into account. You have home maintenance responsibilities as well. The upkeep of the property has to be kept up. And you got to remember that the loan balance will grow over time, which I've just mentioned. And it might have an impact on your government benefits too. So, and it will probably have an effect on your inheritance. But I say, why not use the money you've already got? You've worked very hard to pay off your house. You are entitled to some of it, and use it now before you go. So you've got ongoing responsibilities as well. So you've got to remember you've got to keep up your rates, your insurances, and any property taxes or anything like that you might have on your property. So I pretty much explained everything. If you want to know any more, on my website, you can look up reverse mortgages, and there's a stack of information over there. If you want to have any guides or whatever, please send me an email. I'm happy to send you as the sliding scale guide on your age and what percentage you're allowed to take out of your equity for a reverse mortgage and whether you qualify as well. I'm happy to chat to you about anything you need to know. All right, so I think I pretty much explained how. I hope you found the information useful. If so, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And I just want to let you know that we have a free giveaway, a free book, and subscribe to it now. So the link is below. It's the 7 steps to mortgage freedom and wealth through property. Inside here, you will find out how to get the cheapest home loan, why you should really care about your home loan, why people will end up broke, and also we have some bonus chapters at the back here as well. It's a great read. It's an easy read as well. So make sure you get your copy and share it with friends. See ya.